Bale tusigale we tuli. Honorable Kitata Naggwano. Tusabe mukama akkirize ebigambo ku luno bisobola okufulumayo.
Katonda afaayo.
To our dear guest of honor, we have one of the councillors here. Is not okay. I've just got him from the hospital to come and he swears in.
Mama soko peyo uliriza layira Kitata nkulesola mala okulayira
Basabale banyaba bakyala bano tuveewo bananga bato bano tuveewo
Kitata Naggwano swear in the name of the Almighty God,
Yes.
that I solemnly affirm
Yes.
that I will faithfully,
Yes.
solemnly affirm
Yes.
that I will faithfully serve.
Give faithful service. So help me
I will
God.
give.
So help me God.
I will faithfully serve
So help me
to
God.
this council
And support
and support,
and uphold
Constitution, the Constitution
the Republic of Uganda
of the Republic of Uganda
as by law established. So help me God.
So help me.
To glorify the name of the Almighty God.
Kati ekyebuuzibwa ekirayiro Honorable Kitata Naggwano Director Kansala owe Katente munakibiina ky'enyalemu amaze okukikuba tugende mu maaso n'okwesabira n'okumusabira
Tuweyo akayimba k'eddiini awo.
tuweyo mwoyo
Mumutwala mu ddwaliro.
Dr. Mufuwa Steven
Kansala.